Welcome, my name is Black Lotus, your YouTube script kiddie, and today I will be performing exercise 3 on practicepython.org. This exercise is called lists less than 10. The instructions are take a list, say for example this one, and it shows the first sequences of the Fibonacci sequence, and write a program that prints out all the elements of the list that are less than 5. Extras, instead of printing out the elements one by one, make a new list that has elements less than 5 from this list and put it and print out the new list, write this one in one line of Python. So instruction string is called less than 10, yet the instructions are to find everything less than 5. So for this one, I'll just find less than 10. And we'll create a function called less than 10. I'll go ahead and copy the instructions. So and then we'll get started. So this one it specifically says to provide a list, so we'll just take the one that's provided here. And we'll create a function that takes everything that's less than 10. And I'll actually do this two different ways. So the first way I will call def less than 10. In it, I will provide a user list, and I will mark it as a list. And then what I want to do with this list is use the built-in filter function to, and then I use a boolean on top of that that says for everything that's less than 10, put this into a list. So we'll go ahead and do that. So we'll use filter. We need a lambda with argument x, and then we'll say, we'll give it our boolean x less than 10, and then we'll give it our iterable, which will be user list. And then we want to give that back as a list itself. So that's the first way. The second way will be with a list comprehension. And the way I will do that is I will say x for x in user list if x is less than 10. Okay, I'll separate the functions from the module itself. And then I'll print out both methods. And let's delineate this. We'll call this one number 2. We'll pass an A. And for the second one, less than 10, 2. And we'll pass an A. We'll test it. And both of them work. So that's how you perform less than 10. We did it two different ways. We used the built-in filter function and then took the iterable and cast it to a list. The second way, we used a list comprehension. This is Black Lotus, your YouTube script kiddie, and I hope you got something out of this.